Yes guys, welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to fit a wing mirror and wing mount cover on the Ford Fiesta Mark 7. So let's get straight in. So this wing mirror needs changing. You can see there's a crack on it and it's broken on the bottom. And you can see here as well. So let's change this mirror. As you can see, I removed the trim piece here and there's going to be a T20 screw, one there. And should be one under here. So I'm going to remove this and show you what the next step is. Right, the next step is to remove this screw here. There should be one under here as well. And let's remove these screws. And there should be another T20 bolt right there. Once you removed all the screws, you have to remove the door card now. Let's remove the door card. As you can see, I removed this clip from here. And now I'm going to remove this clip and see what happens. Once removed all the wiring from the ring now, this wire here, next need a 30mm socket to remove that screw down there. So let's get on. Once you remove the bolt, then you just need to take the mirror off. As you can see, I took the mirror off on this side, and then after that you just take the wire off that. Now that's it. As you can see, I'm changing the look of the mirrors. I'll go for the carbon look and side swipe indicators. So let's just fit these in. I fitted the mirrors in. Looks nice. So let's see how it looks when I put the indicators on. There you go, I put the mirrors on and side swipe indicator works. And there's a big difference. Let's see the other side now. Not as bright as the other side. Go to the other side. There you go. Difference. Now it's time to remove these covers on the indicators and replace it with the new ones. Let's get straight in. There should be 3 clips. One should be there, one should be there, one should be down there. So you have to remove the clips. The flat screwdriver will trim through. Let's get straight in. I removed the wing mirror cover. Now with this, you're going to remove, change the indicators. All you have to do is take the cover off and push this up, the bulb will come out, and just take this out and take the bulb out. If you want to change the bulb or put side swipe indicators, then you just plug it in, just line it in, like there you go, like so. Then I'm going to put the wing mirror cap on now, and that's the finishing product. Let's put the indicators on, see how it goes. Alright, this is when I unlock the car. Like that. I unlock the car. Let's put the hazard lights, see how they look. That's the end product. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Peace out.